Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M8, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Maybe your child set it, or you, and you forget. Whatever, you can get rid of it this way. But you will also lose all the data that is stored on the device itself, and you have no way of backing it up, honestly, without actually unlocking your device. So if you wanted to plug it in, move something like photos and stuff like that to your computer, you won't be able to access the phone's data without unlocking it. So this is kind of going to be gone for you, unless it's stored on the cloud. And additionally, if you have a Google account signed in on the phone, or Xiaomi account possibly, though I have never tested it out if Xiaomi has the same kind of security, your device usually becomes FRP locked when doing this kind of reset. And what that means is when you're going to the setup later on after the reset, you'll be forced to verify either the screen lock that was set or the Google account. And if you can't verify one of them, you won't be able to finish the setup of the device. Therefore, you would be kind of stuck on the setup of the phone, virtually having a high-end brick. Now, you possibly could maybe get this unlocked. Usually GSM stores that sell used phones do offer these kind of services. You used to be able to, or at least I was used to be able to do this even here. I used to record videos for this, and there were ways of kind of bypassing this and removing it, but since like Android 14 and Google has patched up most of these vulnerabilities, so there is no like free easy way anymore to do this. But possibly if you go take it to like one of those services, they could unlock it. Possibly they would have to check for a small fee. So anyway, with that all out of the way, I'm going to lock the device, which does have a screen lock, and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know it. And first thing, we're going to hold power button and the volume up, and this will bring up our boot options, and here we're just going to swipe up to turn it off. Our phone will turn off, and once it does, you want to hold again power button and volume up, and when you feel the vibration, you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. And in a moment, this will take us to the recovery mode, at which point you can let go of the volume up as well. Now, using volume buttons either up or down, as you can see, you can navigate. So I'm going to press volume down to select the second option, and I'm going to now press power button to confirm this option. We're going to select wipe all data the same way and confirm. Now we'll begin resetting the device. This actually doesn't get to 100%, it only gets like 10%, automatically becomes finished. So just wait, oh, there we go. I think it got like 7. So we're going to now press power button to go back to main menu, power button to reboot, power button to reboot to system. Now, it's not going to immediately reboot to Android. It's actually going to continue reset the device in the background, which will take the device about a minute or so to do, to finish up. And once it is finished, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.